Hey Jacksonville, it's Pierce Neeb with MarineMax. Really excited to share with you guys today the 250 Solstice from Premier. The first thing you're immediately going to notice on this boat is a very long, very comfortable, very cozy plush lounger with reversible and multifunctional lounging. You can lay flat or return to a reclined position. On each side you're going to find 4 cup holders for the 4 guests that can fit on this lounger. A really nice safety feature that I like on this boat is the large swinging gate. Going to keep all dogs and small children aboard and safe within its keeping. As we move towards the middle of the boat, one of the greatest features, really well equipped captain's area. Right above, we're going to find a nice dry storage for any phones, small purses. Beautiful sea decking right below our dual 9-inch Simrad displays. 12-volt plug-in along with a USB right next to the upgraded JL audio control panel and a throttle, along with 2 cup holders for our captain. As you can also probably tell, I'm standing under a very large, very impressive bimini top that comes with this 250 Solstice, nearly covering the entire length of the boat. And another thing that I'm standing on currently is a really large and impressive below storage. Very comfortable, very large bow seating as well. And if you couldn't already tell, this boat can seat up to 17 guests. So enjoy a great day on the water on the 250 Solstice here at MarineMax. If you are interested, please feel free to give me a call at my cell, which is going to be 904-707-1023.